Hi guys. Hi guys. We are going to churches today. But before we show you the church here in Kannur District Kerala, I know many of you are non-Christian, non-Catholic. And so we're gonna bring you first for sightseeing and the neighboring places here. If you love nature, this may be fun for you. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Kerala is a state located at the southern part of India. Kerala known as a God's own country. Why is it called God's own country? Kerala is endowed with abundant rainfall, numerous rivers, pleasant climate, highly literate and cultured society, and a physiography of green mountains and hills. So as you can see around, very green, and everywhere you look is hills. Kerala consists of three distinct physiographic divisions, which is the highland, the midland, and the lowland. The alternating rainy and summer seasons provide favorable conditions for diverse crops. Kerala has an agro-based culture. I can see more cultivated, industrially significant crops like rubber or rubber trees. There are a lot of beautiful tourist spots or tourist attractions here in Kerala. Now, if you ask me, is it safe to visit Kerala? Well, first, do a proper research. Secondly, if you plan to come and visit here, go with a group and with locals who are able to communicate both your language and local dialect. Just like your own countrymen, they are beautiful, friendly, and kind people. So please enjoy the scenery, beautiful view around before we proceed to visit church here. Here are many religions like Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Catholic, and many more. And since we are Christians, so we will be visiting churches. So stay tuned and enjoy the scenery. Look at the view. What is in there? We are on the bridge. Go down? Anything. Go there. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. We are going down to the underneath the bridge. We will see what is inside. Filipina want to see what is inside. What is under it.
പിടിക്കാറില്ലല്ലോ നമ്മൾ ഇരുന്നോണ്ട് പോകണം. ഇരുന്നോണ്ട്
somebody is there. Someone is there. We are in the jungle. Not really a jungle.
Jungle means
Forestry. Oh, very cool here, huh? It's cooling. Yeah, this place is so relaxing. So just now we are just on top there, and now we are here trying to explore this area before we reach to the church. We are going to visit a few churches today. So since we are here already, so now we are exploring this place because the Filipino is here. Don't know. Try to explore the area. Filipino and Kerala village. So that is my father-in-law behind. No animals here? No animals? Wild animals? Animals. Ini tiger. No. Have you been here before? No. Look at that. Very big stone. Ooh. This is a bigger stream. How fish? This is there, no? Ah, this is there. This is there. Swimming. The water is very so clear. Carmel. Hi. Carmel, Marie, Sorji. So, I don't know what's the name of this place. Be careful, huh? Slowly and surely. Slowly and surely. Yeah. Are you on live, ne? Are you on Facebook live? Hi everyone. This is Filipino lost in Kerala. Lost in Kerala. Lost and found. I'm scared. We'll be seeing wild animals or monkeys coming here. Guys, I hope you find some relaxing in this place. Actually, we can do picnic here, huh? Yeah? Can we do some picnic? Agay. Andito na naman ako sa kabukiran, mga higala. I'm here in the jungle looking for birds. Sangit, may sangit.
Where they will go?
This side. Yes. You walk so fast. So these are the rubber trees. Other people's property. Rubber trees, right? This one. All these trees.
Rubber
trees. Yes. They go that side.
This one big will come tap.
guys, if you like nature, oh, here also is water. Here also is a lake. Ah, what in here?
Slowly come here.
Yeah, slowly, yeah. Oh, because the leaves are, and it's quite wet on the ground, so have to be very careful in walking.
So nicely see.
Quite slippery.
കാർമൽ അവിടെയൊക്കെ പോയി നിൽക്കുന്നേ.
This is bird sanctuary, birds habitats.
വേടില്ല ഞാൻ വേടും.
No birds.
Only name only.
No birds, never mind. Nature is beautiful.
Bird sure will go. Our home, how many birds is there no?
Yeah, so
Evening
many.
time, so many birds.
This morning I heard owl,
Ah,
2 owl making noise this morning. I want to go and look for them, but
owl is
I
sleeping.
can't find.
So many birds.
So we are here. So now we are here in bird sanctuary and jumping fish, but so far we didn't see any jumping fish at all, and the birds are very few. So just like human, birds gone out in the morning looking for food and come back in the evening. But it's fine, at least we visited this place and we find it relaxing. Napaka-relaxing din tong lugar na to. At saka nakapag-video na rin. Diba? Another calming and relaxing place. Tree is very big.
നമ്മൾ വെള്ളം നോക്കില്ല.
Bollywood, See hi. We only can hear the bird chirping. Birds chirping.
എത്രയിലേക്ക് കിട്ടിയതിനകത്ത്?
So this is the first church. And we reach here in the first church of St Jude. St Jude donation boxes are placed outside for motorists passing by to offer donations. When people are busy, especially during working days, with daily activities, may not have time to enter the church, so instead, they will just offer donations and the donation box placed outside. What church is this? This is St Jude's Church. They have different types of bougainvillea, so nice colors.
Yes.
Can I go inside? It's close. It's beautiful and well-maintained Church of St Jude with many different varieties of potted plants, flowering plants. For the people visiting church, to help and maintain the area is to leave the shoe or slippers before entering the church, and no littering is allowed.
Ready there? Eating a place? That is the place, is it? Camel. Hi. He asked us to come. Hey, come over. He asked us to come. This is the church bell.
Alright, so we were called in to go inside for a short conversation. Hindi ko lang na-record ang aming conversation inside. But the important thing is that wini-welcome nila yung mga dayuhan kagaya ko. Nag-iisang Pinoy na bumibisita sa kanilang simbahan, which is good. You feels really good na wini-welcome kanila. O diba? Ang saya.
Who's there? Who's that? This is Mother Mary carrying Jesus. Buying some
പലഹാരമൊക്കെ എടുത്തോ അതോ പെട്ടിക്കകത്തിരിക്കുന്നു? പഴംപൊരി, പരിപ്പുവട,
Sprite. So we are here buying some snacks.
Yes, snacks.
Snacks, Marlon snacks ആണ്.
പയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോ എടുക്കുന്നത്.
ആയിരിക്കാൻ പറ. ആ. മുണ്ടക്കായ് സുഖീനും.
And now we are here in St. Mary Forane Church, Alakode. It is a very big church. The front and back view is so beautiful, and the architectural features is wonderful. So enjoy the view as we tour you around. Okay, so dito muna tayo. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang front view. So habang naghahanap ng pari yung aking binan, kasi ayaw kasi ng aking binan na pasaway kasi nagbi-video ako. Kaya kailangan niyang ipaalam doon sa opisina. So dito tayo, aakyat tayo dito sa stairs para makita yung view sa harap ng church. Ang ganda po. So guys, you can see how beautiful the church is. The outside view, the front view of the church is so beautiful, and I'm gonna show you the inside as well. So stay tuned on that. And now we are going near to the entrance. So as you can see, the stairs or parang hagdanan dyan before you go to the entrance, that is where you leave your slippers, you leave your shoes before you enter the church. So that is why there is the signboard over there that you have to leave your shoes before you enter the church. So that is what here in Kerala, you need to leave the shoes before you enter the church. Ayan na, sinusot-sot na ako ng aking binan. Ano kaya ang gagawin nila sa akin ngayon? Tingnan natin.
So welcome.
So ayan, a very short conversation. So wini-welcome na naman nila ako sa kanilang simbahan. So ang sarap ng pakiramdam na i-welcome kanila, isang dayuhan na i-welcome kanila sa kanilang simbahan. Masarap po sa pakiramdam. So ipapakita ko sa inyo ang kapaligiran, ang front and back view around the area. Ang ganda po ng view nila. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo. Stay tuned. Alright, so we are offering donations to the church. So you have seen the inside view of the church. It's so beautiful. Alright, and meron kasing nagtatanong sa akin on my previous video saying, commenting that, oh, mayroon palang church dyan sa India. Marami pong mga churches dito, lalo na sa Kerala. There are a lot of churches here, and the people here are, I would not say they are rich, but they are hardworking people. They live and earn from their own property. They have a lot of property, mga sindiro to mga tao dito. And if you can see the houses along the way, ang gaganda ng mga bahay nila, parang mga milyonaryo. Ang gaganda ng mga bahay nila. Yeah, so that's all I can share. And next one, we are going to show you the last church, the third church that is where I had my yung nandun ako ikinasal. Alright, so abangan nyo yan. And the last church that we are going to show you today is the Holy Family Church. This church where I had my marriage vow. Holy Family Church is just 2 minutes away from home. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy watching the new places here in India, particularly Kerala. Thank you very much for watching and your support. Very much appreciated. And we are back home. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button so that you'll be updated on our new video uploads. I hope to see you again. And my Kerala holiday will end here because tomorrow we will be going back to Bangalore, and we don't know when we'll be coming back again. If ever we can come back again, hoping that I can show you another places here in Kerala, another places, tourist spot here in Kerala. So I hope, and thank you very much, guys, for watching.